It will be the land as see or go, and you're rest assured that you're safe.
Just they play. They play. They play.
That is a big lie, and I'm here to prove that to you. Not all lands with see or go should even be touched. My name is Lahrith your Muslimah Realtor or your billionaire part. And I've seen people lose millions of naira when it comes to investment just because they were told the land has see or go, and they left it like that. They didn't even bother to verify. Today, I am here to break it down to you on reasons why that your land that has see or go can make you lose millions of naira. Now, the sweet lie about that is everybody thinks land with see or go is safe, but no, it is not safe, because see or go is simply the government's way of saying we know this land exists, but this is what we want to use it for. So the key word here is purpose, and that is where most buyers get scammed. Now let's talk about the land purposes. The government divides the land into different categories. We have the residential purpose, the commercial, the agricultural, and the industrial purpose. Now imagine paying 50 million naira for a land in Lagos, of course with a beautiful sea or go, only to discover that the sea or go is not for residential purpose, but the land is sitting on an agricultural purpose in the government's record. That your dream house will not even come to play, because the government will not even approve your building. And if you try to be stubborn, you might wake up to a bulldozer right out your doorstep. Now let's make this real. We've heard of demolition in Lagos, the people claiming that they have sea or go to that land. But what they're not telling us is if that sea or go actually carries a residential purpose for where they have built their house. Imagine spending millions of naira erecting your building, only to discover that that plot of land does not fall under the purpose it is meant to be used for.
Oh my God!
Now here's the bitter truth that they won't tell you in glossy ads. And these are things that you should look out for in your see or go. What makes a land genuine? Of course, safe see or go. What are those things that you should look out for to be able to ensure that your see or go is genuine and is safe? Number one, check the land use purpose. Does the land you want to buy match up with your investment goal? It is very important. Number two, your survey plan. Does the coordinates on the survey plan matches the one that you're carrying on your see or go? It is very important to check. Number three, the file or registration number. This simply means that your land must be traceable in the land registry. Without this, you have no land. Number four, government signature and stamps. Should any of these signature stamps fade away or they are even missing, it is a huge red flag. Please don't fall for it. Number five, the owner's name. Does the owner's name matches the one on the see or go? If not, do they have the proper record of transfer? If any of this is missing, just simply walk away. So next time, if someone tells you the land has see or go, don't fall for those sweet things. Rather, ask questions and verify. At Lahrith Properties, we don't just recommend lands for you. We recommend properties with duly verified title. This is Arizona Estate, located at the Deraski Mibejuleki, selling for 50 million naira. With a 5 million naira initial deposit, you can spread your payment for 12 months. Is it not better you secure a plot of land that gives you peace of mind with verifiable title, other than buying a plot of land that will raise your BP should you get to Abuja tomorrow, only to discover that the land that you bought has fallen under industrial or commercial purpose from the government? My name is Lahrith your Muslimah Realtor on your billionaire part. I don't just sell land, I show you how to buy land that builds wealth with maximum peace of mind. So do well to like, subscribe and share, and turn on the notification button, because on this channel we debunk myths that has to do with real estate investment. That your hard-earned money needs to be protected. Do well to share with someone today. You just might be helping them save millions of naira. See you on the next one.